Welcome back to Decor. Today, we invite you to step inside a sweet and romantic Scandinavian house with garden Dreamy Cottagecore home design Scandinavian green and pink decor Decor green and pink cottage that feels like it came straight from a storybook. This enchanting home combines soft pastel colors, vintage treasures, and cozy Nordic design to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Every room is filled with delicate details, natural textures, and timeless elegance that inspire comfort and happiness. If you love cottage style, vintage decor, and beautiful home design ideas, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's begin our tour of this charming Scandinavian retreat. A charming exterior wrapped in pastel beauty. The first thing that captures attention is the cottage's delightful exterior. Painted in a gentle shade of soft green with white trimmed windows and charming pink accents, the home radiates warmth and personality. Flower boxes overflow with colorful blooms beneath each window, while climbing roses frame the entrance with natural beauty. The steep roofline and traditional Scandinavian architecture create a timeless silhouette against the landscape. Every detail feels carefully chosen to celebrate simplicity, elegance, and the joy of living close to nature, making this cottage a truly captivating sight before even stepping inside. A welcoming living room full of vintage character. As we enter the living room, we are greeted by a delightful blend of vintage charm and Scandinavian simplicity. Soft pink walls create a romantic backdrop for cream-colored sofas adorned with floral cushions and knitted throws. Antique wooden furniture, painted in muted pastel tones, adds character without overwhelming the space. Natural light pours through large windows, highlighting carefully curated decor pieces such as vintage mirrors, ceramic vases, and delicate candle holders. The room feels both elegant and relaxed, offering the perfect setting for quiet afternoons, cozy conversations, and peaceful moments at home. The heart of the home, a cottage-inspired kitchen. The kitchen embraces classic cottage style while maintaining Scandinavian functionality. Soft green cabinetry pairs beautifully with warm wooden countertops and vintage brass hardware. Open shelves display charming collections of ceramic dishes, glass jars, and decorative teacups that enhance the nostalgic atmosphere. Fresh flowers placed throughout the room add color and life, while natural light illuminates every corner. The combination of practical design and romantic details creates a space that feels inviting and comfortable, encouraging family gatherings, homemade meals, and cherished memories shared around the dining table. A romantic dining space for everyday gatherings. Adjacent to the kitchen is a lovely dining area designed to celebrate simple pleasures. A rustic wooden table serves as the centerpiece, surrounded by vintage chairs painted in soft pastel shades. Linen tablecloths, fresh flowers, and antique candle holders create an elegant yet approachable atmosphere. Large windows offer beautiful views of the surrounding garden, allowing nature to become part of every meal. The balance of Scandinavian minimalism and cottage-inspired decoration results in a dining space that feels intimate, welcoming, and perfect for both everyday dining and special occasions. A dreamy bedroom filled with comfort and elegance. The bedroom captures the essence of romantic cottage living with its soothing color palette and inviting textures. Soft pink walls complement crisp white bedding layered with knitted blankets and embroidered pillows. Vintage bedside tables and antique lamps add timeless charm, while floral curtains gently frame the windows. Every element contributes to a feeling of tranquility and comfort. Natural materials such as wood, linen, and cotton create warmth throughout the space, making it an ideal retreat for rest and relaxation. This bedroom truly embodies the peaceful beauty of Scandinavian cottage design. A vintage-inspired bathroom with timeless appeal. The bathroom continues the home's romantic theme through carefully selected vintage-inspired elements. Soft green wall panels, classic white fixtures, and antique-style mirrors create a sophisticated yet cozy environment. Brass faucets and elegant lighting fixtures introduce subtle luxury without compromising the cottage aesthetic. Decorative baskets, fresh flowers, and scented candles enhance the relaxing atmosphere, transforming everyday routines into enjoyable experiences. The thoughtful combination of practicality and beauty demonstrates how Scandinavian design can make even the smallest spaces feel charming, functional, and wonderfully inviting. Thoughtful decor that brings every room to life. One of the most inspiring aspects of this cottage is the attention given to decorative details. Vintage artwork, botanical prints, handcrafted ceramics, and carefully selected textiles contribute layers of personality throughout the home. The soft green and pink palette remains consistent, creating harmony while allowing each room to express its own unique character. Natural materials and treasured heirloom pieces tell stories of history and craftsmanship. These thoughtful design choices prove that a beautiful home is created not by excess, but through meaningful details that reflect warmth, authenticity, and personal style. A magical garden that extends the living space. Beyond the cottage walls lies a breathtaking garden that perfectly complements the home's romantic aesthetic. Winding stone pathways lead through colorful flower beds filled with roses, lavender, and seasonal blooms. Cozy seating areas invite residents to relax outdoors and enjoy nature's beauty throughout the year. Vintage garden furniture painted in soft pastel tones enhances the storybook atmosphere. Whether enjoying morning coffee, reading a favorite book, or hosting intimate gatherings, this enchanting outdoor space extends the cottage's welcoming spirit and creates a seamless connection between indoor comfort and outdoor tranquility. Conclusion: Scandinavian cottage dreams brought to life. This sweet and romantic Scandinavian green and pink cottage beautifully demonstrates how thoughtful design, vintage decor, and soft color palettes can transform a house into a truly magical home. From the charming exterior and cozy interiors to the enchanting garden, every corner reflects warmth, elegance, and timeless beauty. We hope this tour has inspired your own decorating journey and provided wonderful ideas for creating a cozy home filled with character and charm. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Decor, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite feature of this beautiful cottage. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next home design adventure.